Hey Jonathan, here's my B44 stuff. There's my B44.3 there. It's got, you know, a bunch of upgrades and upgraded ball cups and all that. I have extra of these carbon fiber top pieces. So I got extra carbon pieces for that. The center carbon also. But here's a whole bin full of tires and wheels, front tires. These are all fronts. I mean, they're a lot of them are brand new. But these are all brand new, all in pairs. I think there's like 14 pairs or something like that. I don't know. There's even slicks and stuff like that. Another 3 sets in here. These are brand new, but these wheels are, well, this one's a little worn, but the tire itself is new. A few more sets. I got some unmounted front wheels. Those are all unmounted, and I got 3 brand new sets there. Yeah, and tires. Those are all for the front, by the way. And then that's the car that I'm selling as a roller. It's got, you know, a bunch of stuff, and it's pretty mint. Anyways, I know you're not interested in that, but here's the parts bin that I have, except for the tools or whatever. But there's slippers, hubs, you know, arms, knuckles, carbon fiber center diff pieces. I'm gonna keep these ball studs, these cups. There's a rear hub, carbon fiber hub mounts, you know, some other miscellaneous stuff in here. Bushes, bearings, stuff like that. And then in here, in the bottom, I got, this is where all the arms and everything are. See, like there's our RPM arms right there. These are brand new. I think I had them on once. I had these on once. Those are front arms. And then I got you know, some back arms. Those are back. These are back. Those are fronts. I got a bunch of those carbon fiber front pieces. Actually, I think there's 2 sets here, is what it is. I have it set on there now, but I don't have the center on. Whole ball diff set up, front and rear spur and pinions for the shafts to go through. Gearboxes for them, spring cups, some chassis parts in here. There's another arm in there. That's a front arm, stock front arm. You know, packs of, like, you know, these CVA axles and stuff like that for the front. Bunch of those. These are all for the front. Shims, springs, more diff out drives and stuff like that. There's another the gear. It's the ring gear for the diff. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff here I'm not using, and I'm going to sell the car as a roller. So you got, like I said, you got a full ball diff swap out. Mine has gear diffs in it now. An extra spur, an extra motor mount, not been used. Some screws, some more out drives and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, carbon fiber. That's everything I have for the parts and the wheels. Like I said, these are all fronts. Those are all mounted. These aren't mounted. And then the car, so. But that's it. That's the B44.3 stuff. Let me get it uploaded and I'll link you. Thanks.